Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we dive into the current status of Derek Carr, the former NFL quarterback known for his time with the Raiders and the Saints. After a long career marked by ups and downs, many fans ask, where is he now? Let's find out. Derek Carr entered the NFL in 2014 when he was drafted by the Oakland Raiders, later the Las Vegas Raiders. Over his career, he became a four-time Pro Bowler and the franchise's all-time leader in passing yards and touchdowns. He later signed with the New Orleans Saints in 2023, continuing his career in a new location and system. In 2025, Carr announced his retirement after 11 NFL seasons. The decision came following a diagnosis of a labral tear and degenerative changes to his right rotator cuff. Rather than undergo surgery with no guarantee of return to his previous level, he chose to step away from the game. He also acknowledged that the timing and financial aspects played a role. He opted not to collect a large salary for a season in which he might have played at less than full capacity. Where is Derek Carr now? As of now, Derek Carr is officially retired from playing professional football. He is now exploring life beyond the NFL, likely focusing on his health, family, personal interests, and possibly new business or media opportunities. He has indicated a desire to retire on his terms and maintain the integrity of his career, rather than extend it under less favorable conditions. While he remains associated with football through his legacy and connections, he is no longer on an active roster or playing. Derek Carr's story shows a professional athlete reaching the end of a long journey with dignity, stepping away when it made the most sense for his body and his values. He's entered a new chapter, one without the helmets and pads, but one full of potential for what comes next. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.